Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A Blu-ray is forever, and it comes with a digital copy too. One of streaming's biggest advantages is that it allows you to watch a movie or show pretty much anywhere you want and on any device. With physical media like a Blu-ray or a DVD, you're much more limited, needing both the disc and a media player to play it. 23 June 2020.
Take our lead.
No need to re-buy your entire collection of films if the difference isn't that important to you. It is absolutely worth it. Some of my favorite Blu-rays for image quality are old films. Criterion is pretty solid for classics. 3 July 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Blu-ray isn't dying. The market is shrinking, but there is a solid and reliable market for owning copies of movies without needing to stream them. Outside of Netflix and Amazon Originals, which often still get physical releases, they aren't going anywhere. 11 March 2019.
Take our lead.
Will the Blu-ray die? According to Forbes, Samsung is discontinuing the production of new 4K Blu-ray players in the USA. And at least in 2019 the company will not introduce any new devices worldwide. Existing players will at least continue to be sold off.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Even without the resolution increase, which is significant, the compression quality on Blu-ray is much better. DVDs have much lower storage capacity and use less developed codecs, resulting in many more compression artifacts.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The answer is that, yes, your DVD player or Blu-ray player is probably obsolete, since there are already better options on their way for people who want the highest video quality, and there are some pretty great streaming services for people who value convenience. 2 December 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
Blu-ray usage is already in decline just a decade after it won the format war, and there's no new physical disc to replace it. The quality of 4K streaming content is arguably not as good as a 4K Blu-ray, but most consumers don't seem to care. They're watching more Netflix and buying fewer physical discs. 19 February 2019.
Take our lead.
About 6 years. Blu-ray players, rest in peace. Sure, families will replace the device after about 6 years, but they'll do so with Netflix, HBO Go and Apple TV, not more discs and Blu-ray features. And even if they don't, they can always just use their PS4s or Xbox Ones. 29 December 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.